evolute integral over c tan z dz, where c such that mod z is equal to 2. Solution. F of z is equal to tan z is equal to sin z by cos z. Poles of f of z are given by poles of f of z are given by cos z is equal to 0. So z is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So n is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. So on. So on. N is equal to 0. Z is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2. N is equal to 1. Z is equal to 3 pi by 2. N is equal to minus 1. Z is equal to minus pi by 2. N is equal to 2. Z is equal to 5 pi by 2. N is equal to minus 2. Z is equal to minus 3 pi by 2. Mod z is equal to 2 is a circle with center C0, 0 and radius R is equal to 2. Diagram. X dash, y dash, 0, 2, minus 2, minus 2. Pi by 2, 3.14 by 2, 1.57. So 1.57 lies inside the circle. 3 pi by 2 value 4.7. Minus pi by 2 minus 1.57. So minus 1.57 lies inside the circle. Lies inside the circle. Outside. According to this circle. So only 2 points lie inside the circles. Z is equal to pi by 2. Z is equal to pi by 2. Out of infinite poles, Z is equal to pi by 2, comma minus pi by 2. Poles are lie inside the circle mod Z is equal to 2. So residue f of pi by 2 is equal to limit z tends to pi by 2 tan z, limit z tends to pi by 2 sin z by cos z, sin pi by 2 1, cos pi by 2 0. Here denominator is 0. Use result 3. Use result 3. What is your result 3? You write sin z as it is. Take derivative of cos z minus sin z, and z is equal to pi by 2. So we get minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. No z here. Cancel, we get minus 1. Residue f of minus pi by 2, limit z tends to minus pi by 2 tan z, limit z tends to minus pi by 2 sin z by cos z. Here also we get 1 by 0, denominator 0. Use result 3. Write sin z as it is. Take derivative of denominator minus sin z. Put z is equal to minus pi by 2. Here cancel. We get minus 1. No z here. So by residue theorem, into over C f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I into sum of the residues, 2 pi into minus 1 minus 1. So minus 4 pi I. So special problem, observe carefully. Problem 56. Using residue theorem, evaluate into over C sine 4 of 6z by z minus pi by 6 whole cube dz C such that mod z is equal to 1. Solution. Your f of z is sine 4 of 6z by z minus pi by 6 whole cube. Poles of f of z are given by denominator equating denominator to 0. So z is equal to pi by 6, 3.14 by 6, 0.552. Z value. Mod z is equal to 1 is a circle with center C0, 0 and radius r is equal to 1. Diagram. X dash, y dash. This is 1, minus 1, minus 1. So here clearly 0.52 lies inside the circle. So z is equal to pi by 6 is a pole, lies inside the circle. Mod z is equal to 1. Residue f of is a pole of order 3. Lies inside the circle. Mod z is equal to 1. So residue f of pi by 6 is equal to limit z tends to pi by 6, 1 by n is 3. Here n is 3. So 3 minus 1 factorial. Second result, d square by dz square z minus pi by 6 whole cube into f of z. Limit z tends to pi by 6. 3 minus 1, 2 factorial, 1 by 2, d square by dz square, z minus pi by 6 whole cube. Your f of z is sin to the power of 6z by z minus pi by 6 whole cube. Cancel. Cancel. You common 1 by 2. Limit z tends to pi by 6. You take first derivative with respect to z. Sin to the power of 6z derivative, x power of 6 model, x power of n formula, n into x power of n minus 1. So sin to the power of 6z, 6 into sin to the power of 6 minus 1, 5z into sin z derivative cos z. Sin z derivative cos z. Now you common 6. 6 by 2. Limit z tends to pi by 6. D by dz of sin to the power of 5z into cos z. 3 times. 3 limit z tends to pi by 6. Here apply UV formula. This is U, this is V. U into sin to the power of 5z into V derivative, cos z derivative minus sin z plus V into cos z into sin to the power of 5z derivative 5 sin to the power of 4z into sin z derivative cos z to sin to the power of z derivative sin z derivative cos z. 3 into put pi by 6 minus sin to the power of 6 pi by 6 plus 5 sin to the power of 4 pi by 6 cos square pi by 6. 3 into minus pi by 6. So limit z tends to pi by 6. Apply UV formula here. 6 sin to the power of 5z into sin z derivative cos z. 6 by 2, 3 times z tends to pi by 6. Here UV formula, u into v derivative plus v into u derivative. Put z is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. So sin 30, sin pi by 6, 1 by 2, cos pi by 6, root 3 by 2. So we get 1 by 2 whole power 6, 1 by 64. Here we get 1 by 2 whole power 4, 1 by 16, root 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 4. So 64 LCM, 14, 7 times 2, 21 by 32, your final answer. Problem 57. Using residue theorem, evaluate integral over C e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 dz, where C such that mod z is equal to 2. Solution. F of z is equal to e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 poles of f of z are given by equating denominator to 0. Z is equal to minus 1. Z is equal to minus 1. Mod z equal to is a circle with center C00 and radius r is equal to circle diagram x dash y dash. This is to radius negative axis negative 2 negative 2. Here z is equal to -1 lies inside the circle. Z is equal to -1 is a pole of order 4. So n is equal to 4 here. Order 4 lies inside the circle mod z is equal to 2. Residue f of -1 limit z tends to -1 1 by n minus 1 factorial 4 minus 1 factorial d cube by dz cube n minus 1 z minus of minus plus 1 whole power n 4 into f of z. Result 2. This is result 2. Higher order formula. Limit z tends to -1 1 by 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1 6 d cube by dz cube z plus 1 whole power 4. Your f of z is e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4. Cancel. Common 1 by 6. Limit z tends to -1. Take derivative with respect to z. E power 2z derivative 2e power 2z. Again derivative 2 into 2 4e power 2z. Again derivative 2 into 4 8e power 2z. Now substitute z is equal to -1 8 by 6 e power -2 z is -1. So 4 by 3e square by residue theorem integral over c f of z dz is equal to 2 pi into SR means sum of the residues integral over c u power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 dz is equal to 2 pi into 4 by 3 square. So nothing but 8 pi I by 3e square. Applications. Roman number 1. Evaluation of real definite integrals. In this A, integration around the unit circle. An integral of the type integral 0 to 2 pi f of sin theta comma cos theta d theta, where the integrand is a rational function of sin theta and cos theta, can be evaluated by writing u power I theta is equal to z. So z is equal to u power I theta. dz is equal to u power I theta derivative u power I theta into I theta derivative I into theta derivative d theta. U power I theta nothing but z. So z into u power I theta. So from this d theta is equal to dz by iz. dz by iz. Z is equal to u power I theta by using Euler formula cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 by z is equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. Adding z plus 1 by z is equal to 2 cos theta. From this cos theta is equal to z square plus 1 by 2z. Subtracting z minus 1 by z is equal to 2i sin theta. From this sin theta is equal to z square minus 1 by 2i z. Z square is equal to e power I theta whole square e power I 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta is 1 by Z square cos 2 theta minus I sin 2 theta Z square plus 1 by Z square adding 2 cos 2 theta. From this cos 2 theta is Z power 4 plus 1 by 2 Z square, taking LCM, taking this to this side. Subtracting Z square minus 1 by Z square, 2i sin 2 theta. From this sin 2 theta is equal to Z power 4 minus 1 by 2i Z square. Similarly, find cos 3 theta sin 3 theta by taking Z cube e power I theta whole cube e power I 3 theta, so on. Now substituting these values in given integral we get integral 0 to 2 pi f of sin theta comma cos theta d theta is equal to integral over c f of z dz, function of z dz. Here c such that mod z is equal to 1 unit circle. Circle is always unit circle. So mod z is equal to 1. So mod z means e power I theta is equal to mod cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to root over cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to root 1 is equal to 1. This is the way of getting the unit circle. Mod z is equal to 1. This is the way of getting the unit circle. Next, problems.